Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video I'm going to expose these scam artists or stupid idiots, if you will, of the people that post on YouTube saying I'm a stock trading millionaire, I'm a forex millionaire, and all that bullcrap. So, before anyone sends any criticism my way for saying, I don't, in my videos, the titles I create is just for the idea or purpose of understanding, so you click on the video to understand what the content is about. The content never says anything about how I made millions or how you can make millions. The titles may do so, but that's the only reason I do it, is because so people can see my content, to understand the difference between what a real person, a real trader talks about and how they talk, and so that way you'll be able to spot these idiots. And that's the biggest reason I do it. So yeah, these guys, to be fair, the people that do trade for probably a couple of years and that have got knowledge in the field, they would know that, they would be able to spot by the way people talk that these people are lying and they don't have money. Like I was watching one chatting with a 23-year-old stock millionaire or something, and he's like, so the question was asked him, so how did you know the stock was going up, and like how did you make money on it? What happened? He goes, I don't know, I just bought the stock and it just kept going up and up and up and up. It's like, come on, shut the fuck up. You're not good. You don't make money just like that, just by taking punts. There might be very few people that do, but those that do, there's another thing. Those that do, they end up losing that money because the markets is addictive. Once you start trading, once you start investing, once you start making money or losing money, whatever it may be, you still carry on doing it. So even if you made a mill by luck, which is rare, and some people do have done it, fair enough, but then they go back to the market and they lose all of it anyway. So they're no fucking millionaires. They're just trying to sell you their rubbish courses. So anyway, I'll give you a quick example. Look, most of these people are students or young people. So let's just say, they have $10,000 pounds, yeah? Which is probably a bit high as well. I don't think most of them have that. But anyway, let's just say that. And broker allows you to leverage, right? So you leverage it, say 5 times. So you got £50,000 exposure. Now, if you're one of the best traders of all time and you can churn out, so let's put the years above. So these are the years on the top, right? So just simple math calculations like this can make you understand how much people bullshit and lie. So that's why that's one of the reasons on my channel here as well, trying to help and stop people from letting this happen, because it's not good that they get sucked in, they spend their hard-earned money on these idiots that end up giving you or selling you some shit course and for nothing, and they're not even millionaires. They're not even knowing. You don't have to be a millionaire to teach, but the point is they don't know what they're talking about. And that's hopefully when people start watching my video, they'll be able to see the difference in sort of someone who knows what he's talking about in the markets and someone who doesn't. And that's hopefully what I'm trying to get out. I'm hoping I'm getting better at this anyway, to record obviously me speaking, because that's the new bit that I've started doing, which is why sometimes I might not be able to portray it across properly, but eventually once I get better as well, you start understanding the different knowledge that people that have been trading have and the people that don't. Anyway, so back to this example. So say you're one of the best traders of all time. It makes 20% year on year, right? On your leverage, this is, by the way, right? So on your leverage is 20%, so 5 times, which is super hard, because if you leverage 5 times, well, I'll show you that in a second, though, actually. But anyway, say you did that. In 13 years, you'll get to 400k. If you leverage 5 times and made consistently 20% year on year, which is what, as a percentage of that, is like 600% gain a year. So you gotta understand is these people bullshit. Because for them to be stock trading millionaires at 23, that means they're trading at 13. And at 13, they start making money straight away with £10,000. And that's so on and so unlikely. The idea is the reason why I come here to teach as well, is because it's to help people to avoid these people, but also to make money in the markets. Now, not crazy amounts, but even if you make some, return on your money, like even if you make 10% a year on your money, that's really, really good. So even if you make 10% on your money, that you have £10,000, that's really good, because you're also working and making money, right? And you don't get anything like that in the bank. So look, in 10 years, you've got, if you keep compounding it, you got about $30,000, and that's great. And this is while you're working, so you got extra savings, where in the bank you only get a couple of percent. So make sure you understand when people say they're millionaires and all that, it's just rubbish. Or they're like, oh, we leverage 100 times. Oh, okay. So if I've got 10,000. And I leverage 100 times, yeah? So the broker allows me to find leverage 100 times, which they don't, but in Forex, okay, fine, you can do 100 times leverage. So you got £1 million, was that million? Yeah, £1 million exposure. 10,000, yeah, £1 million exposure. £1 million exposure. For you to then lose that 10,000, because you're buying it on margin, you need what, as a percentage of the million, do you need to actually lose all of that? I'll show you. That times. There we are. You need to lose 1%. 1 fucking percent you lose and you're wiped. So they think they leverage up to 100 times and then they get multiply exposure and then they make money. The market moves 1% against you, the position moves 1% against you, and you're wiped. So that's how you know they're bullshitting. Because especially the people that are in the markets now, or if the ones that are not, watch my other videos and look, the markets right now are having a whipsaw. And they've had periods like that too before. Even when the markets were dead, they always have certain months where it has 1%, 2% moves in a week. And that's crazy for an index we're talking about in terms of an absolute return. Or its absolute return, in fact, is more. But anyway, so they're wiped out. So that's how you know these people are just bullshitting you. So make sure you understand and you know the difference. They're just trying to sell you a course. I'm not trying to sell you a course. I'm just trying to give you knowledge. And even if they're not trying to give you knowledge, try to understand the knowledge you're getting. And if you do have, like especially right now, I'm small. You send a comment. I think a comment someone just replied on, asked on one of my videos, can someone teach me how to get rich or become rich or something like that? And I replied and I said to him, no, nobody can. We can, or people can, that the field is specialized in. They can teach you what they do and how you can make money in that field. The rest is down to you to learn and keep improving, and over time you'll make money. Rich is obviously a relative term, but in my mind, overnight success, when people say overnight success, to me that means 10 years. 10 years is overnight success to me. Of course there's some exceptions like Facebook and whatever, but the point is in general just an overview. Of course I'm not saying you can't be the next Facebook, of course you can, but the point is just general overview. Don't try to get sucked in by the people luring just with respect to money. Understand what you're doing and just work out mathematically. It just makes sense. You know, mathematically it just doesn't make sense that, you know, you're going to leverage 100 times and then 1% and you lost, and 1% you can lose just like that. And let alone, let's not go into the mental side of things, which I'll actually make a video on, but mental side of trading is a killer. If you leverage 100 times, you will be shitting your pants every single minute of the day. But anyway, I thought I'd just make this video to hopefully explain to people the difference between my channel and other channels out there. And, you know, comment, ask me questions, test me. If you think you know a lot about the ones, great, test me. And you know, and it's always good to learn off each other anyway. So if you do comment, there'll be people that can at least you could guide too, and it's always a good thing to do so, because the main purpose is try not to lose money, and that's the main goal of this channel here for mainly retail investors. Because I've done this in the past, and rich people have ways to make money, and because they have the right people to teach them as well. So the retail people don't. So this is why I'm here for. So anyway, subscribe, like, comment, and then let me know what you want to see next. I'll see you guys next one.